When I was younger, I had my first friend was from the community, Roses Valley. Moses, to be exact. He wasn't perfect, but he was genuine and he was kind. When I met in the accident and was crippled and broke up for a while, I think he had a goat and he sold his goat to assist with my medical expenses. When my family members turned me out of the house at 16, 17, because I would not allow my uncle to sexually molest me, Moses jumped in as a man. He borrowed his sister's rented apartment, Sandra, borrowed his sister's furniture, and provided a home for me to live. It was a very humble beginning. We were young. We bought a piece of land, started a house round Old Road, round Oxford Road there, and we had a humble beginning. Mose was not perfect. Mose was not perfect, and I will not call out his imperfection because he knows. But what I did to him, he did not deserve it. My uncle died, and I met this policeman who tricked us to let us believe that he was all that. And I went to Kingston to spend time and never returned home because I thought all that glitters was gold. And it was 20 years of sorrow. We didn't know the term karma then, but we know the term what you sow, you reap. We know the term that all unfair game play twice. And I lived with a broken heart, years of abuse for years. And I know it was karma that visited me because of what I did to Moses. And I lived with the guilt of that for many years. Whilst Moses met his goodness, Polly came down, married him, take him to California. Moses living like a king. I was living in heartbreak. I don't know how I survived. And that pain in my heart only healed when I left that relationship that I left Moses for and moved into my own house. I slept for 3 days straight, and then I met Chris 12 years ago. That is when this brokenness, this heartache, and this pain heals. Young people, don't forsake your humble beginnings. Don't be ungrateful. All that glitters is not gold. Don't dish dirt to people who help you, because karma will visit you and your life will be that of torment and misery. Most family did not like me either way because I was too poor. So they helped to put a strain on the relationship because this family member didn't like me because I didn't have anybody and I was poor. But nonetheless, I apologize to all of you. Roses Valley, Jenkins, I apologize to all of you for all that I have done. Moses, continue to enjoy yourself. I will respect you and love you for as long as I live, and it's not a love that will take Chris' space now. Bless up yourself. One love. Young people, be careful. What you sow, you will reap, and karma will visit you. One love.